Looking for something flaky and desi, I have a classic Sindhi dish for you, which is the Sindhi Koki. So let's see the recipe. So first I'm going to start with roasting a few spices to get a nice earthy flavor, for which I have here half a teaspoon of Carom Seeds, half a teaspoon of Cumin Seeds and half a teaspoon of dry Pomegranate Seeds. Roast these spices for a minute. These are nicely roasted. Let's remove it. And pound these spices into a coarse powder. Let's check on this. It's a nice coarse powder. And now let's start making the dough. I have 1 cup of wheat flour here, in which I've added the pounded spices, 1 onion finely chopped, 2 green chillies finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, pinch of pepper powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of ghee. Mix all these ingredients together, add in water and prepare a hard dough. Make sure it's a nice, hard, crumbly dough. Cover the dough with a wet napkin and let it rest for 10 minutes. The dough is well rested. Divide it into 3 equal parts, shape them into flat rounds and roast them for a few seconds on the pan. This helps in making the koki very flaky. So let's do that. Place the dough balls in the hot pan and press slightly. Once you get a few brown spots, flip them over. Cook it on the other side as well. And now remove them back into the bowl. Let's start rolling the kokis now. You can use a little bit of dry flour to roll them. The edges are going to crack slightly because of the onions, but do not worry, that's how it's supposed to be. Make some cuts on the koki. Place it on the hot pan. Cook it on both the sides for a few seconds. Apply ghee generously and cook it. This is done. Remove it in a plate. In this way, let's make the remaining kokis. This is done. These kokis are ready. They make an excellent tiffin snack. Serve them with some achar, chutney or just some plain curd. but I think they're so delicious that you're going to love them by itself. Do try this at home, comment below, subscribe to Rajshri Food. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.